Hello everyone and welcome to another Motivational Monday. Today I want to talk about the importance a smile can have to your customers and to your success in this business. Success expert Les Brown says, your smile will give you a positive persona that will make people feel comfortable around you. That's a powerful statement when you realize that the first part of having success with your customer is the ability to make them feel comfortable enough to want to work with you as their salesperson. Likability is more valuable than just about anything else you can bring to the table as a salesperson. Getting your customers to like you is a critical part of your sales process, and it is the first thing a customer looks for during the meet and greet. How you're dressed is certainly important, but nothing is more important than your smile. In fact, even if your initial contact with a customer is via the phone, experts have proven that a smile can be perceived even during a phone conversation. It's Monday, and how you feel about that will show on your face. Does your face say you're excited about the day and the opportunities you'll have to reach your goals for success? Or does it say, man, I hate Monday and I wish it was Friday? Put a smile on your face this morning and leave it there for every customer you meet today and every day of the week ahead. They are your source of income. They're the ones who pay your bills and help you earn the money that supports your lifestyles and all those who are under your care as a family member. Perception is reality, and how your customers perceive you as a person can make or break your chances of earning their business and selling them a car. Nothing will make more of an impact on your customers than the smile on your face, followed by the actions and demeanor that will give them confidence that you'll help them find just what they're looking for in a vehicle, in a salesperson, and in the dealership they want to buy from. Smile. It's the best tool you have for earning your customers' business.
Try DLA Online and DLA Live to discover why the top automotive professionals already have. For more information, visit our website at www.davidlewis.com or call us at 321-435-6000.